To me, pressed flowers is more than just about preserving the flower and getting it exactly the way it was fresh. I believe pressing flowers is self-care. It's about setting aside time during the day to do something that you want to do something that you love to do. And how great is it that that time involves flowers? I started pressing flowers as a way to calm my mind. If you look into my early videos, you can see that I was lost. I still am a little lost, and that's okay. But back then, I was really lost. I felt stuck in a job that wasn't making me happy and wasn't fulfilling me in a way that I thought it would. And in being so stressed and caught up with that, I forgot to take care of myself. I didn't take time out to just relax and take care of myself. I discovered pressing flowers because, number one, I loved flowers and I wanted to keep the beauty of it alive in some way. It became me time. It became a time where I could just sit down, really admire the flower in ways that I was not able to do before. Have you guys ever actually smelled a real rose? Now I understand why there are so many rose-scented things. Like, oh my gosh, if you have not smelled a real rose for yourself, treat yourself and smell that rose. But I was able to admire the flower in ways that I haven't been able to do, and it just gave me a sense of calm, and I just instantly got hooked. It was the time that I could spend just having my mind quiet, my fingers busy, but my senses still hyper aware of the feeling of petals and the scents and what I was seeing in those flowers and how I was seeing it differently. I was learning something new, and I was problem solving in a way that there was kind of no right or wrong answer. It was just, number one thing when you're pressing flowers is to not have it moldy. So the way you press the flowers, the techniques that you use are really up to you and your preference and up to you to discover. So it was wonderful for my mind. It gave me a sense of accomplishment, and it was able to get my creativity flowing again, and I felt better because I was dedicating that time to myself, and I wanted to dedicate that time to myself. And I feel like pressing flowers is like a never-ending gift because you get a sense of calm by pressing the flowers, and you get that excitement when you open the flower press. And then at the same time, now you have these wonderful flowers that last a lifetime that you can use in whatever project your heart desires. So for me, if you guys have seen my website, I sell pressed floral frames. So that is what I use my pressed flowers for. And I create art from it. So it's just an amazing gift that just keeps giving, because now when you see that pressed flower in your house, you just remember all those good feelings. And if it was gifted, then now this person has wonderful botanicals that remind them of you and how you did it yourself. You pressed those flowers yourself. So it's not a stretch when I say pressing flowers is self-care. And if you guys are looking for a way to just find some peace in your day, try pressing flowers. There really are so many benefits to working with nature. It just automatically grounds you, makes you feel more stable and calm, and you have that time out to just think about whatever you need to think about, or even not even think. I encourage you to look at pressing flowers as more than just getting flowers to look exactly like they were fresh, because honestly, then you'll be missing out on this whole transformation of a pressed flower and the whole transformation of yourself. I'm always here for you, and follow me on Instagram because I'm getting very active on there, and become a BFF so you're always in the know. And until next time, happy pressing. Take care. Bye. I believe